Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about this topic, how do acids and bases react with metals. Okay, so you can see an apparatus set up here in which we are taking a stand and with which we are attaching a test tube here. Through this test tube we are taking a delivery tube here, and which is goes to this beaker. In this beaker we are taking soap solution. And what are we taking in this test tube? You can see this is dilute sulfuric acid we are taking here, and in which we are adding some pieces of zinc granules. Okay, so zinc is a metal here, and as acid we are taking sulfuric acid here. After the reaction between this metal and acid, hydrogen gas is evolved which bubbles with this delivery tube comes in this beaker, and you can see here the soap bubbles filled with hydrogen gas. Okay, this hydrogen gas which is forming here. Okay, it is mixing in this soap solution, and after that the soap bubbles are filled with hydrogen gas. So here this is the hydrogen gas bubbles. So how can we recognize this hydrogen gas? For this we are taking a burning candle here. So you can see here burning of hydrogen gas with pop sound. So hydrogen gas is burnt with pop sound. So after we placing the burning candle here, we can observe this pop sound. That is why we can say this is a hydrogen gas. So we can notice that when acid react with metal, it form hydrogen gas. Okay, so what would be the equation? In the case of acid, when metal react with acid, they form salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, so as metal we are taking zinc here, and as acid we are taking H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid here. So zinc displaces this hydrogen from its compound and it forms ZnSO4, zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Okay, so this is a salt and this is hydrogen gas, you can see. So when metal react with the acid, it forms salt and hydrogen gas. We can take another example, like if we take sodium and if we take hydrochloric acid. So sodium is a metal and this is an acid, hydrochloric acid. So the product will be NaCl and H2. Okay, so now you can see this is a metal and this is a acid. Metal react with acid, this is salt, and they form salt and hydrogen gas is evolved. And in the case of bases, the apparatus should be same, but we take a base at the place of this acid. So at the place of this hydrochloric acid, suppose we are taking sodium hydroxide and it reacts with metal. So metal is zinc. Okay, so metal is zinc here, and at the place of acid we just take base here. So we are taking sodium hydroxide as base here. They will form salt and hydrogen gas is evolved. So now you can see, because sodium is more reactive than zinc, so that is why zinc cannot displace this sodium from this compound. So product will be Na2 ZnO2. It is sodium zincate. It is sodium zincate. Okay, and plus H2. So now you can see in both the cases, when metal react with acid or base, the product will be salt and hydrogen gas is evolved during this reaction. So I hope it's clear. Thank you.